Check out this question. 1. On the basis of relief features, what are the broad groups in which peninsular plateau be divided, and explain their physiography? To answer these types of questions, we need to learn about plateaus. So in the process of landforms series, we will discuss about plateaus in continental second-order landforms. Before going into this video, we heartily welcome you all into e-Gurukulam for IAS. Let's start. As we discussed earlier in second-order classification of continental landforms, there are three types, which are mountains, plateaus and plains. We already discussed about mountains. Now it's time for plateaus. A plateau is an elevated area with a more or less leveled land on its top. It has a large area on its top and a steep slope on its sides. The plateaus cover about 18% of the Earth's land surface. On the basis of their geographical location and structure of rocks, the plateaus can be classified as intermontane plateaus, Piedmont plateaus, continental plateaus, volcanic plateaus, dissected plateaus, intermontane plateaus. The word intermontane means between mountains. The plateaus which are bordering the mountain ranges or are partly or fully enclosed within them are the intermontane plateaus. The plateau of Tibet is an example of the intermontane plateau, which is surrounded by the fold mountains like the Himalayas, the Karakoram, the Kunlun and the Tian Sha. Piedmont plateaus. The word Piedmont means foot of a mountain. Plateaus which is situated at the foot of a mountain and is locked on the other side by a plain or a sea ocean is called as a Piedmont plateau. They are also called as plateaus of denudation, as the areas once were high to the level of mountains have now been reduced to the foot level of the mountain by various agents of erosion. The Malwa Plateau is an example of Piedmont Plateau. Continental plateaus. They are formed either by an extensive continental upliftment or by the spread of horizontal basic lava sheets completely covering the original topography. The continental plateaus are also known as plateaus of accumulation. Plateau of Maharashtra is an example of the continental plateau. Volcanic plateaus. A volcanic plateau is a plateau produced by volcanic activity. There are two main types, lava plateaus and pyroclastic plateaus. Dissected plateaus. A dissected plateau is a plateau area that has been severely eroded so that the relief is sharp. Such an area may appear as mountainous. The economic significance of plateaus. A storehouse of minerals, most of the minerals in the world are found in plateaus. The extraction of minerals in plateaus is relatively easier on plateaus than mountains. The major portions of industrial raw materials are obtained from plateaus. We get gold from the plateau of Western Australia, copper, diamond and gold from the plateaus of Africa, and coal, iron, manganese and mica from the Chotanagpur Plateau in India. Animal rearing and agriculture. Plateaus have large grassland areas suitable for animal rearing, especially sheep, goat, and cattle. The lava plateaus, when compared to other plateaus, are richer in minerals and hence used for agriculture as the soil is very fertile. So that's all for this video. Meet you in next video discussing about plains. Thank you for watching. e-Gurukulam signing off.